is Bryan. I'm the President and CEO of Convergent Media Systems, a wholly owned subsidiary of Sony Electronics. Well, I think there really are two major challenges that the digital signage industry has to overcome to continue to grow, aside from the economy. Number one is advertising. And unlike the internet or television, there's really no standardized measurement for advertising and digital signage yet. And so until that gets established and everyone gets on the same platform, I don't see a lot of media buys that get associated with it because there's still some uncertainty on exactly what the measurement will be. So that needs to get done. Secondarily is the acceptance of video and use by at retail. So video at retail, as you start to see more and more redesigns of locations, whether it be QSRs or Walmart or Target or any others, the more that gets accepted, the more you're going to see signs that are going to go in. And of course the fact that the cost of the screens and the players continue to go down also helps. Well, the vertical markets that I believe will create the most opportunity really go along with the things that need to get dealt with in the growth. Number one is advertising. The places that already have good measurement advertising, like cinema pre-show and some other retail places like Walmart and others that have been in the business for a while, you'll continue to see opportunity there. The other thing is going to be video. So everybody's got a PDA handheld phone. You know, how is that going to get impacted? You know, our company has been about video anywhere, anytime for 30 years. That's what we've done. And as the technology's improved, we've gone along with the technology so we could always sort of be at the leading edge of it. So video in the retailers, I think, is going to be QSRs as they continue to remodel the outside part of their stores. A large amount of their traffic is drive-through, 40%. In many cases, more of the revenue comes from drive-through. There's still static signs. There's still really nothing there that they've been able to do. So here at DSC, you see a lot of outdoor menu boards. You see a lot of indoor menu boards. So as the point-of-sale systems become more integrated with the signage, menu boards can be very active, dynamic, push specific products that the retailer wants to sell or the QSR wants to sell because they have a lot of inventory, and also keep the most recent pricing. The technologies that I think are going to have the most impact in the short term will be the smartphone PDAs. It's still TBD on how that's going to work, but clearly as the technology continues to develop for proximity readers or for texting, receiving coupons back on your phone that you can then go to the register and use right away, you're going to see more and more of that happening. So that technology is clearly going. You're going to see vending machines with more signs on them that distribute coupons or that drive you to a venue so you can buy more of that product in those locations. Also, 3D is starting to really become real, and Sony, of course, is one of the leaders in the 3D, not only projection, but 3D televisions. And as that becomes more of a reality, that's going to trickle into the digital signage marketplace so that the signage could be even more impactful. Obviously creates great opportunity for us because we're in the full service business. We can design, build a network, we can install it and operate it, we can do the content, we can do the measurement. So we're pretty excited about what we think is going to happen in the near future. As you know, we just recently got acquired by Sony Electronics. Sony has some new software called Xyrus that is a great media distribution software, and as we get more integrated into Sony, we'll be using that platform. So we're pretty excited about that and the opportunity that it provides. I'm really surprised at the amount of software providers that are here and the quality of their product. It's very good. I think if I were a standalone user wanting to just do my own digital signage, it'd be difficult for me to decide which one of these to buy. I mean, clearly if you're a large corporation and you want somebody to do it for you, we're the easy choice and have been for 30 years. But you know, there's just a lot of products out there that are all good. Well, my experience here today, I'm pretty excited about the number of folks that are here. A lot more buyers than I anticipated. Usually my experience at shows is your competitors checking your stuff out. But it's been a really good show. I've been very surprised. Yes, we clearly have already spoken with many people that have budgets for digital signage, and I think it's because now it's accepted medium, and there's a lot of pressure from their competitors who are already maybe doing signage that they need to do something as well. And then, as advertising measurement becomes better and better, you'll see the QSRs selling advertising in their restaurants because it's a way to get revenue that may drive their customer from eating at their QSR and going to a movie or going down to the car dealership to check out the latest models. Digital Signage Expo, join the revolution.